Hey everybody, Monday morning, May 20th, 2024. Here's the Astro Excel chart from the 19th to the 26th. Sunday night, this upward pressure here has peaked out. And as we move into Monday now, we've got downward pressure on the green line. That's going to go all the way through Monday, Tuesday, and then bottom out right about the zero line here at 2200 on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have a strong push up. It goes into Thursday morning all the way up beyond the plus 20 line, which peaks out between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. on Thursday morning, and then it starts to drift back down. Bottoms out on Friday here at the just under the plus 10 line at 11 a.m., and then a little bit of an upward bias through the afternoon to the close on Friday. So we've got a pretty good strong moves down and then back up, but we are above the zero line the whole time. Important peaks on the blue line. Tuesday, this peak at 1800, a little bit off hours time there. And then the next one at 5 a.m. on Tuesday. Then right at midnight, we've got a peak as we move into Wednesday morning. Two big spikes on Thursday, this 3 a.m. and 10 a.m. to the downside there. Then we have a spike Friday at 12 noon. Those are the important ones. As always, you want to look for synchronicity between the two lines. Like here we have a nice blend between the green and the blue line heading to the downside today. And then you always want to look, consider Tuesday to be more flat on the green line, so the direction of the blue line ups and downs may be important because these are sharp, fast movements, especially this one. This could be an important peak Tuesday morning. And then here we're Tuesday night where the green line bottoms, the blue line bottoms, and you've got both lines moving in the same direction up until 11 a.m. on Wednesday. So those are the kind of things you want to watch for. And then you can always use the daily and 12-hour and 2-hour plots to dial in closer to get right into whatever trading frame you want to get onto. So the gray line gives you those intraday smaller pivots. You'll get some bigger pivots on the blue line here, and then the green line gives you the overall anticipated direction.